As the cost of labor continues to rise, more enterprises are seeking out automation equipment to replace their conventional manufacturing methods as they march into the modern era of smart manufacturing. SBKJ Group was established in 1995 and owns a 40,000 square meter production facility. Here, we specialize in the manufacturing of customized ductwork equipment for customers involved in air filters, ventilation, dust elimination, recycling, and construction. As an independently operated manufacturing enterprise, SBKJ values our high-level R&D and innovation capabilities. We are certified by various international standard organizations. We also hold around 50 invention and utility model patents. The SBKJ factory is equipped with a complete range of standardized production machines used in our comprehensive production operation. We are a self-sufficient company, carrying out material feeding, welding, sheet metal milling, boring, drilling, threading, and precision machining processes. All of these lay a solid foundation for the processing of quality products. Additionally, SBKJ has a complete warehouse management system to provide adequate insurance for the on-time delivery of quality products. To ensure each component of the equipment is assembled efficiently without sacrificing quality, our company has set up many assembly workshops with different standards according to the different assembly needs. Our staff is made up of workers with many years of industry experience. They follow strict assembly standards to install every part precisely in its place. During the assembling process, our quality inspector will perform verticality inspection, precision inspection, and other inspection processes. After that, they will carry out trial running of the machine repeatedly to ensure the stability and safety of the machine, guaranteeing high efficiency performance for clients. After many years of development, SBKJ now does business throughout South America, North America, the Middle East, and Southeast Asia. We have been widely praised by our customers. We look forward to the opportunity to provide you with customized automation equipment. Thank you.